life will speak of your glory. My life will show forth your beauty. Everything I live for and all I'll become, it will be according to your very words. My life will speak of your glory. I promise, God. My life will show forth your beauty. Everything I live for and all I'll become, it will be according to your very words. Kabasha kapala daba 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 da shata. I'll express your words about me. I will manifest your glory. This is all for you, my King. I will be what you see. I'll express your words about me. I will manifest your glory. This is all for you, my King. I will be what you see. I'll express your words about me. I will manifest your glory. This is all for you, my. Oh, I will be
what you see. I'll express your words about.
I will manifest
your glory.
This is all.
This is all for you, my.
I will be
what you see.
I'll express
your words about.
I will manifest your glory.
This is all for you, my.
I will be
what you see.
Yeah.
I'll express your words about.
I will manifest
your glory.
This is all.
For you,
I will be
what you see.
I will express
your words about.
I will manifest This is all. I will be
what you see.
I will express
your words about.
Oh,
manifest your glory. This is all for you.
I will be
what you see.
I will express
your words about. I will manifest your glory. This is all for you, my King.
I am an answer to my generation. Send me to the nations. I am your trumpet. Blow it loud, oh Jesus. I am your sound to the nations. Send me revival will come, oh. Send me revival will come. I hear all the nations and do your will. I am an answer to my generation. Send me to the nations. I am your trumpet. Blow it loud, oh Jesus. I am your sound to the nations. Send me revival will come, oh. Send me revival will come. I hear all the nation. I am an answer. Send me to the nations.
Send me to the nations.
I am your trumpet. This is all for you. Can you sing it together? Let's go.
I will be what you see.
I hope you mean the words you say. I will express your words.
about. I will manifest your glory.